Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we'll have another tips and tricks video now with the clipboard that I thought yesterday. We could see that when you copy items on your PC, you actually have the clipboard that will accumulate all the items that you've actually copied, and they're ready to be, you could paste them anywhere on any app that you want to paste them in. Now, one of the things that also is interesting with the clipboard is that you can actually keep some of the items when you restart your PC. So, for example, you do a shutdown, next day you restart, you have your work day, and you wish that what's in the clipboard would still be there. Well, here it goes. Once again, you bring up the clipboard by using the Windows key and the letter V. Here, you see that I have items that are in here. Two of them are links. One of them is a picture of the sun. And of course, once again, I can use this to paste it wherever I want in a page. Now, you've noticed that there's a little pin here. If you click pin item, that pin turns white, and that means that of the three items I have here that can be pasted into apps, when I restart my PC tomorrow, after I shut down tonight, this pinned item in the clipboard will still be there. So the clipboard will still contain my picture of the sun until I unpin, and then it's going to erase next time I shut down and restart my PC. So this is another thing that is interesting, because sometimes you work on a project, but the project is not going to be finished in one day. What happens is you wish you could keep some of the items just because you'll need them maybe tomorrow when you continue that work. Well, pin them in the clipboard. When you'll restart, they'll still be there. You can still paste them and use them. And once it's over, all you have to do is unpin them, and they will be gone at the next restart. So that's another little tip and tricks video for the clipboard. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.